Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today, we're going close to summertime. Now today we have to make something very cold, like semi-freddo. We are going to make crema di caffè, coffee cream. It is absolutely easy to make. You need at least 3-4 minutes. Is this, but absolutely delicious. Believe me, you have to try this. It's super. We need ice sugar, some whipping cream, and some coffee. We take a nice bowl and 300 ml of whipping cream. Put in. One wicket. Even better. Very important, guys. Gonna be the cream and the coffee. They're gonna be cold as possible. I make this coffee 3-4 hours ago. Important, I left in the fridge. Important, it's gonna be cold. This is important, and you can use any coffee you like, even instant coffee. Anyway, this is 65 grams of coffee with 1 teaspoon of instant coffee. Okay. Another thing I wonder, you gonna have one of these to do quickly this cream. Okay. Now the coffee inside we said 65 grams. Ml of grams, and 100 grams of icing sugar. Put everything inside. Look at this. And now we want to mix everything. Guys, 3-4 minutes. The crema di caffè is ready. Oh yeah, it's so nice. It's something absolutely wow. Wow, guys. You can increase the mousse, coffee. Oh, guys, I can eat everything. And you can serve this with some cacao on the top, some chocolate. You can leave this in the fridge to set a little bit more. It's done, or it's just set away. Large. Anyway, if you like this video, guys, share with friends, subscribe on channel, check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. And guys, my crema di caffè or coffee cream or mousse, it is absolutely easy and delicious. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!